Alright, it's Bill Sensei versus Let's Duel. Let's duel.
Duel.
Paper game.
I immediately lose.
We're in,
Lose the rock paper.
where are we? We're in the Duelist Unite General 3. Hey man, I'm recording right now. Yeah, you could.
Understandable. Have a nice.
Yeah, take it easy. Oh god, I'm going first.
Have nice. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Oh, Sword Soul. Yike. Okay.
Discard special effect.
Yeah, make a token.
Special summon token, tuner token.
I play Sword Soul. I know what the deck do.
Yeah, this is for the viewers who are new. Try to say your card effects. Who am I doing here?
I should have played a deck that is more like new duel friendly, but oh well. I'm playing Triff's deck.
Oh, shout out Triff Gaming.
Yeah, playing Triff Gaming's deck right now.
Long's gonna burn you for 12. This is his exact deck?
Yeah, his exact deck, yeah.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Do you have your replay sharing on?
Replay.
Oh, I got it.
I don't know how to do that. How to turn that on.
You go to the settings and go to the main settings, not the chat settings.
Main setting.
Yeah, the bottom right. Put your replay sharing. Check that off.
Oh, replay sharing is it. Take it off?
No, check it off. Check it. Make sure it's checked.
It's checked. It's checked. It's
Okay.
checked. Yeah, it's checked. How am I gonna out a Fleur?
Should have put it to single duel, man. I had it to what's it called?
I didn't have it on match. Yeah, I
had it on match, but then I exited, and then you created it.
Yeah, I don't play
And then
mine on
it's a
matches
single.
because usually I'm used to changing my deck. Because I have a lot of decks to test out, so that's why I usually just play on like non-match. But yeah, I forgot to change that.
Oh god. Oh wow. Hold on there. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna do it.
Sword Soul's pretty meta right now. I
Yeah.
didn't think we were gonna be playing meta, so I chose Pendulums.
Hold on there.
This man pulls meta on me. Okay, I see how it is.
Hold up the meta card.
What? The
Hold
entire
up.
Sword Soul archetype is meta right now.
Oh god. Hold on.
Oh,
No,
well,
I
I'll see
can't
what
do
I can
that.
do.
Hold on.
I have to play through 2 negates. 1 Omni negate and 1 monster negate. So far.
Yeah. Once Omni negate. I thought Fleur was once per turn, but it's only once.
It's when a when a card or effect is activated, you can negate the activation.
Yeah, once.
Yeah, so that's,
well, this card is.
Yeah, one. Yeah, it's an Omni negate, but only once
Yeah.
per turn, which is fine.
Oh, Will's
I'm
YouTube
gonna-
channel and Twitch is gonna be in the description.
I'm going to first put Oak Dragon in the Pendulum Zone. So
The
it's a
hell
low
is-
scale.
The hell does that do?
It's not really relevant right now what it does. Might be. Right now it's not relevant what it does. It's just a low scale. And then I'm gonna fire off Duelist Alliance. What that does is if I have a card in my Pendulum Zone, I can add one Pendulum Monster or Pendulum Spell Trap from my deck to my hand. So it's a searcher for Pendulum cards. And it's gonna get Ash. Okay, cool. That doesn't really matter. Alright. Gonna do Wisdom Eye. Wisdom Eye Magician. And then I'm going to attempt to use his Pendulum effect, which will destroy itself to place what? Okay then. So I'm not gonna use that effect because my shit just got popped by Blackout. Okay, cool. What's the point in even dueling if you're just gonna play meta? Like this just isn't fun.
Hey man, I didn't know what deck you're playing.
Cause I'm gonna attempt to pop Desires and you're just gonna Baronne de Fleur negate. I'm gonna banish 10 of my cards for no reason. Like, what's the point in playing?
It is what it is, man. It's just a duel. It's a duel. You know? It's just a duel. I don't know.
Well, I have
It's a
meta
good
decks
deck.
that I can pull on,
I
but I didn't do that. I chose to play a Pendulum deck.
I told you we're making a video. Don't blame me, man. I'm just
I'm
playing the game.
Anyway. It's fine. Just gonna negate that. Yep. Typical. Lose rock, paper, scissors, lose the game. Cringe.
Let's
wow,
duel
such
wins.
a fun and interactive experience.
Thank you, Will Sensei, for the duel.
Is that it? That's
it,
all?
man.
That's it?
That's it. I'm done. I got one.
I was gonna play an actual deck now,
I'm
but
done.
okay. That was so fast.
We'll do it again next time. I'm done. Will's description will be down below. Let's.
My description. I don't want my description in that bullshit. That was fucking lame.
We'll save that replay. We'll exit this. We'll check out your deck real quick here.
It's not. It's Triff's deck.
Triff's deck. Let's check it out. Here we go. Will Sensei. I'll just put 1. Okay. We're gonna check it out.
Yeah.
Go
Yeah,
to
okay, bye.
check it. Yeah, see you later. Check out his deck here. This is Triff's deck at the moment. Alright. Comment, share, like if you sub this, love if you liked it. See you guys.